audio. Okay guys, now we're on FM high power. Audio.
Good evening everyone, welcome to Mack's Public Hunting Outdoors. You know, I also do some radio stuff on this channel. Today we're going to be reviewing, unboxing, doing a range test, power test on a new Retevis, awesome little radio. It's going to be a great radio for cars, trucks with limited space. It's a Retevis MB3A. Now this unit sells for
about 99 bucks right now. If you see this a year or two from now, it may have gone up. But right now it's right at $100. I'll put a link to everything in the description, Amazon links. I'll put links to Retevis as well. But I've done some reviews in the past on Retevis. They make awesome stuff. So this is going to be an unboxing. It's sealed up, straight from Amazon. Let's get busy. Obviously I'll cut parts of this out. Like if it takes me a long time to cut the box open, obviously. There's the radio. This is a really compact radio. It's got voice, it's got voice operated on command. So when it's in the car, it's nice. I think it hooks straight up to your cigarette lighter, which is nice. It's got AM, FM, awesome radio, noise limiter. Here's the antenna. And what we're going to do tonight is we're going to take it out, show it to you, unbox it. I'm going to hook it up to the base station, do a power test on it, see if we can hear somebody talking, let you listen to the quality of it. And then, since it comes with a mobile radio, we're going to take it out one day, ride around, and see if we can make some contacts on that. So this will be, you know, a several part video over several days. Okay, there's the radio antenna. I'm not going to take that out right here, but it's two antennas. There's the base. Well, let's take that out. So you got the base right there, looks like. Okay, so it comes right here with your nice magnetic base. That's probably 18 to 20 feet of coax cable. So this is going to go into that. And then you got the other piece of the antenna goes on top. That's a pretty good looking antenna. I like that. So put that on there. Instruction manual. I'm not even going to look at that right now. We're just going to hook this thing up. Mack radio. This is going to be good in a lot of vehicles with limited space. FM as well. This actually might be my new go-to radio in my vehicles. Look how it's no bigger than my hand long and maybe 1.5 inches tall. Let's see if that's... I like that, guys. I really like that. It's got your bracket, mounting hardware, obviously, owner's manual. You got this mic. And I do like this on all these Retevis radios. Channel up and down on the button, so you're not wearing out the channel selector. A lot of radios have that now though, but I like that. Let's get busy. Let's hook this up to the base station. Alright guys, we're going to do the power test. Put on channel 20. Cut the sound down. Okay guys, here we're going to do the power test. It's on channel 20. I've got it on low power. Dead key and 5 watts. Audio. Audio. Getting to 8. Audio. So guys, it's dead keying right at 5 watts, swinging to 8. Let's switch it to high power. Now I'm on high. Audio. Audio. Ooh, I got 16 there. Audio. Swinging, dead keying at almost 11 watts, swinging to 16 watts. That's pretty good. Now let's go to FM. Ooh. Okay guys, now we're on FM high power. Audio, no modulation. It's getting 20, almost 25 watts of FM high power. That's freaking awesome. Now let's go to low power. Audio. So we're getting 25 watts on high power and 5 watts on low power. That's actually freaking awesome. Okay guys, let's go through again on the functions. You got AM, FM, PA, scan, noise blanket, emergency channel, 9 and 19 plus a lock. You got volume, squelch, channel up and down, and here's menu. You press and hold it long time. You can do the channel up and down to go between the menus. Go back to that one. I'm gonna hit it again. That gives you, see, we can make it brighter by the, I'm just moving this. See that? And then the menu again. We'll go to the next one, which is BP, which is beep sound. I'm not gonna mess with that, but we might as well. See, that's off, on, off. Hit it again, it saves it. Do the channel selector again. Roger beat. Get the menu off. Got different ones. We'll keep that off. BR. Go back the other way. Roger beat. LE. That's your Fox sensitivities channel settings. So hit your menu. You can change the levels with the mic up, channel up and down button. Leave it right there. That one's your Vox delay setting. Now here's the good one I like. Power. That's your power setting. Hit menu again. I'm using the channel selector. High 1, low. We're going to put it on low because I did the power test on high, so we're going to see what this does. So we'll hit enter, so it's on low power. Now let's go to that. That's your timeout timer. We're not going to mess with that, but you can change that the same way. Auto squelch level. Well, let's change that. Like I said, I'm using channel selector buttons. Okay. Now we're back to the beginning. Alright everyone, you can see this little radio is packed full of power and features. Easy to put in my Honda Accord. It's going to be easy to put in my truck. Now my truck's big, but it's got a lot of dash. There's not a lot of area in my truck to even mount a normal size CB, but this smaller one's going to work well in it. The power is outstanding. On AM, as you can see, on low power, I was dead keying 5 watts, a little over, swinging to 8 or so. High power AM, I was dead keying 10 watts, swinging to 15, which is awesome. And on FM, low power, I was getting 5 watts, but high power, I was getting 25 watts. That's incredible. So anyway, you've seen the unboxing, you've seen me hook it up, listen to it, you've seen the power test. Now we're going to do a real life test out in one of the vehicles. So anyway, let's get busy. Let's go to that. Okay, I'm at the spot. Can you hear me fine?
Okay, I'm at the spot. Can you hear me fine?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You got the camera on?
10-4.
Alright, what'd you say about flowers?
I said, did you see where I planted all the rest of those flowers today?
I didn't see that.
I put them in pots on the front and the back.
Alright, I'll have to check it out when I get home. Okay, go to FM. Alright, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you on the FM. Better than the AM, I think.
Alright, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you on the FM. Better than the AM, I think.
Say that again.
I can hear you better on the FM than I can the AM.
Alright, well that's good.
Yeah, I can still hear you pretty clear.
Alright, this thing was putting out about 25 watts at home. It's putting out 20 watts, 21 watts now.
Not really sure what all that means, but okay.
Alright, go back to AM. Alright, are you on AM?
Alright, are you on AM?
Yes, I'm on AM. A lot more static in it than the FM.
I don't know, that's weird. I think you sound a little better on AM on my end.
You sound better on FM on my end.
Alright, well, I'll be home in a minute.
Alright, everyone. Hope you enjoyed this review on this awesome new CB radio from Retevis. Check out the links in the description. I'll have all the links to Retevis, the radio, the antenna, everything in the description. Leave some feedback whether you like this kind of radio or not. This is an awesome little radio in a compact package. 15 watts peak on AM, 25 watts on FM. Gotta love it. Anyway, guys, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.